Uncle, to be power with Allah, look at the church.
How you gon' talking? Tell me, baby, how you gon' talking? Yeah. Banana follow you, Prada follow you.
Couple of gentlemen.
But you said a bit boom, cause when you put me past you, it's gonna be
The outstanding, as we honor the apple. Please let's be outstanding, let's be outstanding.
I can be your
Yeah! Hey! Oh my God!
She wanna marry me. I hope she's happy to watch it. Oh, my love is sweet as she don't. Baby girl, I say, your body like Lila, oh, yeah, I just tired of your body, oh, only on your body. But girl, for the corner, just somebody with the
Please let's be outstanding. Let's be outstanding as we honor the latest couple.
I need you gonna be go now, time and to be the baby girl, you body, body, you wine. I can all over you, girl. I can all over you, girl. Say you my woman, my superwoman. I can all over you, girl. I can all over you, girl. For the love, girl, I want me to want for the love. Somebody made a call on don't see the right now, I see fire for body. Baby girl, thank you.
Alright, thank you for being here. Please let's go up to our seats. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I get to you, the latest couple in Kano City, in Nigeria, in Africa, and the world at large. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Mariam and Zikipu. If you're clapping, you can do better.
It's a beautiful thing. It's the hand of God, my Juliet and Romeo.
Alright.
And when the stars come back, you are my love.
Alright, quickly. Want to officially open the occasion. Malam Ibrahim Alifu to take the opening prayer. Alright.
Goma ga annabi fatiha da alam nashra da ila fi quraish kafa uku bismillahir rahmanir rahim alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد الفاتح لما أغلق والخاتم لما سبق ناصر الحق بالحق والهادي إلى صراطك المستقيم وعلى آله حق قدره ومقداره العظيم سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.
Thank you very much, sir. All right. You're the way with joy. So, Ango, please, can I crave your indulgence? Just come forward. You alone, just come. Yeah. You got. Allow me to come here. Just come a little bit. Hello. Excuse me. As a demonstrator, you'll be walking majestically to meet Amaria. Let me teach you. He has a request. Come quickly. Come quickly. Alright, DJ. Okay, play that one. Play that one. Now I'm gonna do with the microphone now. I will switch off the microphone. DJ, break it down. You're going to demonstrate it by walking majestically. You walk majestically to meet Amaria. The Amaria will now follow suit. Alright, DJ.
You got my head spinning, no kidding, I can't bring you down. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm on your magical mystery ride, and I'm so crazy and I'm out of my mind. 'Cause all of me loves all of you. And all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when I lose and win. 'Cause I give you all of me, and you give me all. How many times do I have to tell you? Even when you're crying, you're beautiful too. The world is beating you down, round, through every mood. You're my downfall, you're my muse, my worst distraction. I can't stop singing, it's ringing in my heart.
Leave Amara down. Let's go and see that. Ango, give Amara the microphone. Yes. Ango has done his own. Amara must do her own. Is that not so? He is married. My father, Amara, you come this way. Yeah. What a man can do, a man can do. Let's watch them now. Let's watch Amara.
What would I do without your smile? Wow. Drawing me in and you kicking me out. You got my head spinning.
I'm not thinking about it.
I can't pin you down. What's going on? And I'm so busy. Don't know what hit me, but I'll be alright. My head's under water. actions.
Wow.
Give your all to me. I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose the winning. 'Cause I give you
Better. Who does it better?
man.
Eh?
Ango.
Who does it better?
Ango.
No, both of them does it better. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a round of applause for them. Let's appreciate them. Alright, at this juncture, we'll quickly do the first dance. The pictures later. There's a segment for pictures. Please, we'll take that later. Mr. DJ of the Federal Republic, DJ Tunis, I guess you're ready for Amaran Ango. Ladies and gentlemen, please let's clear the stage. The first dance. No dance time. Now one should get ready. Alright. Where are the friends of the Ango? The stage is yours.
We must step to this tonight. Come, let's just catch the feelings for life. And if you don't say make a plan, then don't go waste time what to do like so. Why did we go this way? This love, no be jump and go. But because of you, I get to do something. This feeling got me falling. Get time for something that you need for body. I make you spend this money. Because of you, I get to do something. This feeling got me falling. Get time for something that you need for body. I make you spend this money. This is like literally and money. The original say na me when you make them shock up. Love me, get you love me tender.
It's up to you, but I can praise it. Tell your papa, say I'm being for you. I can't get the shop on my head. I can't get the shop on my head. Today, not today. Again, I finish, you don't know, say let me I see the delay. To put my love in you, must drop my money. My bank account, I'm shaking all the time. So I'm sure madam, baby, take it away. It's up to you, what I can pay. Say I need to stay. Tell your papa, say
Sorry, please remain on stage. Remain on stage. Sorry, thank you. Remain on stage. You didn't bring it out. Alright, please let's go back to our seat. I want to see only Amar and Ango on stage. I don't know. Please, if anyone that is here and you know you are allergic to asthma, please just move back a little bit. We want to have the firework. Please, if you are allergic to any asthmatic patient, just move back a little bit. Let's have the fireworks. Please, who is in charge of that? Wow, let's go.
You brought love like I've never known. You gave to our children and to me a reason to go on. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from troubled winds.
Alright, DJ, let's switch over. Another 5-minute dance. We're still on the first dance. DJ, another 5 minutes. Let's have the Amar and Ango DJ on stage for the match to In the next few minutes, we'll be cutting the cake. The couple will be coming up to cut their cake in no time. And also, the friends of the groom should as well get ready.
All your problems are
All the ladies with ankle line will be dancing with the couple. In the next few minutes, the couple will be coming out to cut their cake.
You're beautiful too. I know you fell in love, but nobody got you. That's your body, baby, see that we don't know. Where are you, Scooby-Doo? Most of your friends now Baloo. My lord, I crack a tell you fell in love, but nobody got you. Your body, now you wake up top on my money, I like this your body, that baby, see got me your dough. Your body, now you wake up top on my money, I'm gonna stick with you like a Are you getting? Are you getting? So make me talk about the small things. Forget about the big things, so make me talk about the small things, so yeah. You are the bless me, amen. Say you can bless you too, amen. Bless your papa, amen. Bless you. Sometimes in our life, we all have pain, we all have sorrow. If we are when you're not small, I'll be there for you. Don't know future brings, but I want you to be. You are my praise, and I run to the finish line. Wow! I'll never leave you alone. I'll go bounce your car. It'll be a whole that's in my mind. Yeah, I'll be so far away. Promise you wait for me. I'm gonna take off to you every day. I'm gonna miss your smile, and the promise you will be mine. You see, I did do this thing for you and me. I'll come back for you. You have my life.
Please, nice yourself, please. The mother of the fast, are you? Okay. You're highly welcome, man. All right, quickly. Please, we still have audience sitting. Let's allow them to see what is happening here. Please, photographers, all those with phones, and the phone people now, they know themselves. I beg, those with techno, let's move back. Those with Nokia touchlight, let's move back. Let's allow them to cut their cake. Those with phone, please allow those sitting to watch now. Family, they'll witness watching the cutting of the cake. The parents will witness the cutting of the cake. Please, let's move back. Ladies and gentlemen, we're cutting the cake by the spelling of love. Are we together? If I say L, you say L. We'll do it together. L. L. 2. O. Good student. Wow. V. And E. Wow. You're not clapping, you're not clapping, you're not clapping. Let's appreciate her. That's wonderful. Wow.
For all the wrong that you made right, for every dream you
The angle is set
for all the
to Pete Amaria.
I'll be ready, baby. You're the one who
Let's see if Angle can do it. Wow.
You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak.
Wow.
You were my eyes.
I'm around the Federal Republic.
You saw the best was in me. Lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me a life 'cause you believe.
let's go back to our seat. Thank you. It's time for the couple to do their first dance. The lifeguard is second dance. The lifeguard, are you set? The lifeguard, are we ready? Question for VJ. Alright, the family of the groom, please come and join them on stage as you dance with the couple. While the family of the back.
يا اخوانا دايرين العريس والعروس نفس الوصول يا اخوانا شيلوا الصبر على قال دايرين العريس والعروس ده بس في المحل ده يا اخوانا شيلوا الصبر على قال
I'm Jabri, Rana,
Nizam mafi wallah. Ba dari. Gaskiya ya kamata a ci gaba.
شافي معروفة السلاطين وملوكنا الناس بيحبوها يا سيدي بيحبوها وشوين يا في معروفة السلاطين وملوكنا عربي
Allah. Ya hakuri. Ba mu dai fatan da sami Allah ya bada.
Aisha.